Tameron Gulf Coast has the truck that you've been looking for. Take a look at this 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5 pickup. On the exterior of this Tacoma, we have projector-beam headlights, sliding rear privacy glass, and power door mirrors. Inside, you'll find easy-to-clean cloth seating for 5, integrated backup camera, and power windows and power door locks. The 6.1-inch touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5 has less than 83,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.